We have all been there, creating your character in Blender and being stuck on how you will approach texturing it. In this video, I will show you the first crucial step into getting that professional finish by changing the way you see texturing forever. This is our Arc Knight's Envy character. This is a Genshin character. This is a Water and Waves character. But what is one thing they have in common? Great texturing, great design. In this series, I want to take you from a beginner to a pro in texturing, with 9 videos in the lineup for this texturing series, started with the body. Alright, what is up guys? Welcome to this brand new video. Today our tutorial recommendation was from Indecent Parodies. Love the tutorial? Can you do your next video on doing a texturing video on characters using games like Arc Knight and Envy? Alright, so let us begin. Alright, first thing first. So we will need to actually get this cube out of the way, bro. Yeah, this cube. The default cube, you get this out of the way. You get all of these and out of the way by pressing delete on your keyboard. And yeah, get these out of the way. Wrap eyes on net for the cube, because the cube have a natural unwrap in a 2D space for the UV unwrap. So what you would need to do is mark your seams. Basically, you select the edge, you go to edge select mode, you go, and then you select some edges. Yeah, you select the edges you want to mark as a seam. Okay, and now you want to select everything, and there's basically UV unwrap. Okay, so kind of messed up. This is edge select mode. This is edge select mode, right? Yeah, this is edge select mode. You go to edge select mode and you select your edges, and you select the edges you want to mark the seam. So if you have your anime character, you have to make sure that it is fully unwrapped before you could start beginning to texture it. And that process is usually easy. You could watch videos on unwrapping if you fully didn't understand this basic guide for unwrapping, but yeah. So now I want to delete the cube. We go back to the normal view here, and we get our character now. Alright, so now this is my fully modeled character I have here. Basically, this is his design. The clothing is very unique because of the location he came from. He's not from, based on this character, he's not from a certain area. He's from the distorted area. That's why his clothing is very distorted and weird looking. And yeah, that's basically what I was going over for the design, for the character design. It's my phone. Let me turn off my phone. You will see everything. So what you do, you go to edit, preferences, get extension. And now what you want to do is search for, give it a while, it's checking for updates. Okay, and it was, now you search for UC Ucupaint. Yeah, it's UC Ucupaint. Okay, so you have UC Ucupaint. What you do is install, have updates. So I'll just install that right now, and update is installed and it's updated. So you have UC Ucupaint installed, and then what you do is just automatically save the preferences. So you'll start with the material. You'll add the material and name it. You'll name it whatever your character name is, and you'll have the material output. You delete the principal BSDF. Then you will add a text coordinate node, and you'll add a geometry node. This method is by 2 a.m. So I'll leave a link in the description to this video as well too, on texture in the body. So we'll add a vector map node, and we'll add a color ramp. So make sure you have all these nodes, and you'll switch the vector map node to dot product. And now what you will do is collect object to the first vector, and you'll connect normal to the second vector, and then connect value to factor. Then you move the stops a little close together, not too close, and keep it on linear. And now you'll want to take these color codes, the first one. So I'm gonna show you guys the first color code. The first color code for this one, for the white one, is this. So make sure to take this now. Alright, so that's the first color code. It will show us this is the actual color code for in Blender. Okay. And now I will show you the other color code, which is similar, but just that the first letter is different, which is this. This is the second color. And now what you want to do is collect the color, the surface. So you'll have something like this. What you want to do next is add an empty. Yeah, this empty, let me just kill all the empty so it's not that big. So you have your empty. You're gonna place the empty like around here in the body, like around here by the belly button area of the body. Then the texture coordinate node, you select the empty, and you get something like this. So now we're working with something. We're working with something here. This could substitute as a starter for your base mesh. Starting texture for your base mesh. Alright, looks good so far. This is a good starter texture. Okay, so you notice something about the feet area. It looks odd, but we could fix this while texturing. We could do a fixed texture to complete everything. So now we have everything. Yeah, this is the first step. Now we're going to the next step. Now the second step, we're gonna bake a AO map. This is an ambient occlusion map. So add an image texture node. Create a new texture and call this Spleef AO map. I'll be calling this Spleef AO map because that's the name of my character. You can name it whatever you want. Just make it recognizable and multiply these by 2. So you'll do asterisk 2 to get 2000. And now we keep this black, but we set it to alpha. That step is important. So now in cycles, you want to keep it on GPU compute, or if you want, you can keep it on CPU. I will keep it on GPU compute. So now we scroll down, we go to bake and set it to ambient occlusion. And now we set this to extended and set the pixel size to 12. Alright, so now we're gonna bake. But first, what we want to do is hide all the objects that doesn't relate to the base mesh, okay? So we're gonna hide all of these. So all of these are hidden except for the male base mesh. And now what you want to do is bake. So this will take a while to bake, but if you want, you could set the max samples to the same amount as a viewport, and yeah, should come out. The product should come out good. And now you click on bake. This should take a while, so I will just end the video and come back. Oh wait, it's actually moving a little fast. Oh, wait. Okay, so now let's preview this now. So this, let's see how it looks. Okay, so close up, it looks like a normal AOE map. Let me check UV edit. No, let me check texture paint mode. So yeah, this is all big map, right? Okay, so we have that here. Now for the third step. And next, what you want to do is duplicate the color ramp we had before. So we're gonna display this, and what you do, set this back to white. Right, so this is white. Now you set this to red. And then you move the stops like this. So it looks like this exactly. And now what we're gonna do is mix the two of this. So you add a mix color node, set it here, set this one on top, and set this to B and set this to A. So you have something like this. You will have something like this, and it should look fine. Everything should look fine. Could carry the stops up so it looks, yeah, it looks normal now. And this, yes. So we have that set up. Now for the next step. Alright, for the next step, you carry the stop to max. Just gonna switch these around to see something. Nah, keep it like how it was. Keep it like this. Okay, and now we're gonna set this to multiply. Where's multiply? Multiply. So everything is multiplying on each other, but this texture itself looks like something you'll see in Fortnite. We don't want that. We want an anime style texture. So now we'll add another mix color node, put it here, and set this color to this, to the main color of the skin. And you'll leave it on mix, but carry it down a little bit so it's not that intense. And now it looks more like an anime texture. So now that we have everything set up, we want to bake something new. We want to bake all of this into one map. So you go to image, we do image, texture, new, and name this whatever you want to name this. Base map. And now we're gonna bake. We're gonna go back to baking. So what you'll do is go combine instead. Okay, so the apps. I did a basic draft. This is just a draft of the apps. Yeah. So this is just a little draft I did of the apps, but I want to do something. I want to I want to do the texture of the abs. Basically, you will have a reference, like anyone, you will have a reference of the abs and the chest. So what I like to use is probably JJK. For example, JJK outside as an example when I do the abs. Because that's the closest I could get to a really good style. Alright, so the body, this is actually, I'm gonna name this muscles and not only the abs. So I'm gonna show you how to do the muscles. Alright, and now we click on the model, the texture paint mode, and now we're gonna start. We're gonna start with clean up this first. So I got this go over this like this, and using this as a guide. Yeah. Alright. So now we zoom in, and what I want to do is select this color. Just have it like this, and set the brush to 3. And now we're gonna do straight. We're gonna go straight like this, and then down like this, and then across like this. So now just making the abs here. We just starting to form the abs here into here. Then we'll just do this and this. So this is the first arm here. Then we go down. We just slightly move like this. Add one here, and go up. Add shade in here, and then go down like this. So the abs, and then we'll do a straight line like this, and we'll have this here like this, and let's color it. Alright, so now we'll move the lines. We're moving the guidelines, and we're gonna toggle the eraser now. Same strength, same everything. And increase the strength. Just the erase, and make everything neat and straight. So let's erase this, erase this, erase this. Just gonna erase this, and yeah. So we have it like this. And now what you wanna do is take off the eraser and fix up this part. Toggle back on the eraser and just slightly erase here. Just go up like this. Slightly erase here like this. So you just have this. So we have our arm set up here. Now we want to delete this whole, we want to keep this lines here. You could refine the lines later, but now we go to the chest area. We start with this. So we just go to here, disable the eraser, select the color is already selected, and enable this. So we want to see the chest, and we'll just have like this, go down like this, then make a right triangle shape like this. So you have the triangle shape. Actually, you'll make a wrong shape. Oh my days, let's try the, yeah. So we're just gonna slowly just scale the horse like this, bring this up, this, just like that. And now we'll toggle on the eraser and erase the middle like this, and disable the eraser. Now we just have a line now going like this, and you have a line going from here to down here, a line going here to here, another line going up, a line here. So now we'll have this. And for the arms now, we'll just have a line now going like this, a line here, a line underneath the arm like this, a line going like this to here, two lines going like this to the elbow, and yeah, we have the muscle set up here now. Now we're just gonna connect to here to go to here, and just pull in this area. And we have it like this. So it looks like this. And now for the arms, we're gonna just fix up the shadow area here like this. So now we're gonna add the lines. What we'll do is erase this. So we'll toggle erase and erase the ab lines here. Just to redo it, we're gonna redo it. So now we're gonna set this to 1. So I keep everything on black. So now I'm gonna add lines here, like right on the sides like this. Yes, you're just gonna trace over this, trace over this, trace over this, trace over this. Like this. Okay, so now you do the lines here. You go carry the line across like this, carry the line like this, 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 and then outside like this, like that. So we have a shape like this. Now we do it inside here. Go down, down like this, then up, then down like this, and then go in here, and then we have one outside like this, like this. Now we have the line in the middle. We move very slow to get this line. Right, so I have to zoom in. So I'm gonna move very slow with this one, so it doesn't look too big. Don't want a big line. We just want a small line to the middle here. And yeah, like that. So we have the lines for the arms. And for the side, we're just gonna add a stroke here, like this. Should be a scribble and a scribble like this. Nothing too weird. And these. So they look like this. And from the arm here, you do this. You do make a line like this, and one that go to the back like this. Now this one will just go. You toggle the eraser and erase back here, because we're gonna do something here. And then we're gonna go down like this. This will go down to the back blade, and then up like this to the neck, and then you have a line going straight down. So for this line, you have it to the back, have a line going like this. One goes so, one goes so, one here, one here, one here, one here. So now if we draw the line, we'll just go down like this. This so, this so, this goes so, and that's the details on the back. Now for the arms, you do something like this. And then so, and so. And now we'll have one that goes like this here. So the line to here, a line like this, and a line like this. And you'll toggle the eraser to just do some clean up on the lines. Just erasing slightly like this. Now disable and everything back to this, and now you have the full body texture. And now let's enable the code and to see how it looks. Looks good. Disable this. Yeah. So we're done with this part.